been reviewing the situation about this truly tragic railway accident. I'll be flying there early tomorrow morning to naturally review the whole situation. We are naturally concerned about looking after the bodies and removing all the living to the hospitals. That is our first concern, to look after the living, and I'll be there on the spot tomorrow morning.
The number of casualties
been casualties, but then since all are busy in rescue, we have not yet counted the number, so I can't officially confirm exact number. But yes, such a violent and tragic accident involving 3 trains, 2 passenger trains and goods train, where 7 bogies of superfast Coromandel Express has been involved in this accident. So yes, we cannot rule out fatalities. Anyway, we are only praying God that it should be minimum, and throughout the night we will work to ameliorate the situation. Thank you.